beauties, what's up and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to take a look at the BoxyPopUp items. We have a whole new round of products. Next week they'll be coming out with detailed looks at all of these products. Let's take a look at them and see how much the regular price is of the products. I don't have the discounted price yet. I'm sure someone will leak it soon. But at this moment, I only know the products and how much the regular price is. Before we take a look at these products, what is BoxyPopUp? BoxyPopUp is a pop-up shop that has highly discounted, high-end products that active charmers are able to purchase. So if you're an active charmer and have at least one active account, you can go into this BoxyPopUp shop and purchase cosmetics, makeup, beauty items, lifestyle items at up to 70% off the retail price. You can only purchase up to 2 of the same items. At first, they said you could only purchase 3 items total, but now they've said you can purchase a lot more. You can purchase up to 2 items of every item in the shop. That is your limit there. Now, I have no idea if they'll eventually run out of some of these hot items that people are looking for. The Charm Shop and the BoxyPopUp are totally different shops. The Charm Room has regular priced items that you purchase for the regular price with charms. You can't buy those at a discounted price. Vice versa, the BoxyPopUp is heavily discounted products that you have to purchase with money. You cannot purchase them with charms. These are totally 2 different things. So I hope y'all understand that. Okay, let's start with our first round of products. The first group of sneak peeks is from the category makeup. Sneak peek number 1 is from the brand Milk Beauty. It's the holographic highlighting powder in the shade Supernova. Regular sells for $24. You can get it for $10. Supernova is a holographic hyper lavender shade. Actually, you can buy this at Sephora for $12 right now, but of course $10 is better. This is just a highlighter, a purple highlighter, and it's got talc-free silky powder, and it's a version of their best-selling holographic highlighter sticks. They say you can use the stick under the powder and make it even a stronger highlighter effect. Number 2 is by the brand Coola. It's the Dawn Patrol Classic Primer SPF 30. This sells for $42 is the regular price. I don't know the sale price yet. This is a long-lasting primer that blurs away pores and provides a smooth matte finish for flawless makeup application. It's great for fine lines and wrinkles and uneven skin tone. The third item in our makeup group is by Stila. It's the Micro Tip Liquid Liner. Regular price is $22 and it's in the shade Intense Black. It's a jet black color. Now, this is a liner with an ultra precise pen-like tip for superior control and accuracy. Here's a winged liner that you can do with this liquid liner. The next category is skincare. The first item, which is number 4, is from the brand Cosmetics. It's the Reboot Overnight Hydration Complex. The regular price on this is $32 and we're getting it for a sale price of $10. This is a overnight serum that hydrates and balances your skin. It reduces the look of fine lines and wrinkles. It provides lasting hydration and moisture, soothes and calms the skin. This is a great buy at $10. Our second item in the category of skincare is from Elemis. It's the Pro Collagen Oxygenating Night Cream. This is an anti-wrinkle night cream. It's clinically proven. This oxygenating night cream helps with your skin's natural regeneration process. Wake up with a firmer looking radiant complexion while helping delay the signs of premature aging. Next product is from Caudalie. It's the Vino Perfect Radiant Serum Complexion Correcting, and it sells for $79. This is for all skin types. It works to reduce the appearance of dark spots, including pregnancy marks, acne marks, sun pigmentation, and age-related dark spots, and prevents them from reappearing. Now that's a good product. The next category is the lifestyle category, and the first item is from the Clean Skin Club. It's a bamboo infuser, regular priced at $39.95. And what this is, it's a 17-ounce tumbler made of 100% organic bamboo, giving them a unique and stylish look because it's real bamboo. No two are exactly the same, and each one you buy is unique to you. The interior is made of stainless steel. All our flask interior are made of 18-8 food-grade stainless steel, highly resistant to odor, stain, and bacteria. It keeps infused water, coffee, tea, and all other beverages ice cold for a whole day or piping hot for 12 hours. It's non-toxic, no harmful plastic, no chemical smells or toxins used. With this, you get a bonus tea infuser. It's a 2-piece detachable tea infuser and strainer. Brew your favorite loose leaf tea. Use it as a fruit-infused water bottle or even brew herbal beverages. Our next lifestyle item comes from makeup artist Catherine Mandrino. It's a pink and white umbrella that's regularly priced at either $39.99 or $29.99. We'll have to see. And I don't know the sale price. This umbrella has the one-touch open. It pops up with one button and it closes with one button. It's an easy one-handed operation. Never struggle with those old-style, painful finger-pinching release mechanisms again. It's got a firm, non-slip grip. You can carry it in a laptop bag, purse, briefcase, car seat, pocket, anywhere you go. This umbrella measures just 12 inches long and weighs less than 1 pound. This is a Velcro folding handheld umbrella that's extremely portable in handbags, suitcases, knapsacks, and more. And they also say most umbrellas are built with 6 aluminum ribs, but this one is special. It has 8. That way it resists powerful winds without turning it inside out. But like I said, it's not the same color as the one I have in the picture. They say pink/white umbrella. So we'll have to wait and see. Our next item is also by Catherine Malandrino. It's a pink and gold, good vibes, hard case wallet. As you see, it's here in this picture. I couldn't find any information on it, so we'll have to wait and see. Our next sneak peek number 10, is also under the lifestyle category. It's by Wonderlust & Company. It's the Supernova gold earrings that sell for regular price is $49. These earrings are modern and amazing. The way the earring sits facing forward on your ears. This artistic interpretation of linked stars look fabulous from every angle. They're 2 inches long. They have surgical steel posts and are made of 14 karat gold electroplated. Sneak peek 11 is also by Wonderlust & Company. It's the Supernova gold necklace. This regularly sells for $45. The Supernova necklace, it says, be unique with this linked partial star interpretation necklace. It's made of 12 karat gold electroplated. It has a drop length of 6.2 inches to 8.5 inches. The pendant size is 1 inch wide by 2.16 inches long. It was in centimeters, so I changed it to inches. And it's got a lobster claw closure. It didn't say how long the necklace is. Like, if it's 18 inches, 20 inches, but it says the drop. I would think the drop length is from your base of your neck, where your throat is, to where it hangs, and that is anywhere from 6.2 inches to 8.5 inches. So if you would double that, 8.5, that's about a 20-inch necklace, I would think. 18 to 20-inch necklace, yeah. Next, we have the hair, body, and tools category. Number 12 is by a brand we've seen before. It's Spongelle Brilliant Tuberose Shimmer Buffer. This sells for $20 regular price. We don't know the sale price. And this is infused with a really strong soap that has like a rose smell, I would think. And you can use this over and over, like 15 times. The Super Nourishing Coconut Fig Hair Mask. This coconut and fig hair mask sells for $44.90. It's a 5-in-1 treatment that restores dry, damaged hair. It improves hair texture and shine. It hydrates and deeply conditions. It treats split ends and tones frizz. And it transforms your hair in only 10 minutes. Last in this category, we have the 15-piece Luxie Dreamcatcher Makeup Brush Collection. You get the 15-piece brush set and also the case to put the brushes in. And if you remember this case sitting in his office as a sneak peek months ago, we did get it though. Eventually, we always see these sneak peeks eventually come to fruition. So here it is. This is a $150 brush set. And we've gotten Luxie brushes before. The Luxie Dreamcatcher 15-piece makeup brush set has every single makeup tool you could possibly need to enhance your natural beauty. Born from the idea that no brush could be specific to one purpose or use, this set of luxurious periwinkle colored brushes were designed to be used in more ways than one. Literally. Here's a breakdown of what to expect from this makeup brush set. And they go through each brush here. You go from the tapered face brush, so it's a powder brush, but it's also good at applying bronzers, blushers, and even lightweight tinted moisturizers. Then you go all the way through to the last brush, which is the small angled brush 215. They're all handcrafted, but $150, I don't know about that. They'd have to come down a lot for this to be a good price. So that is round 2 of our BoxyPopUp products. That'll be in the BoxyPopUp store coming soon. We still don't know the date. We should be finding out soon because I really think these will be available in July. What are your favorite products from this set of products? I like the earrings. I'm not sure about the necklace, but I do like the earrings. As far as in the makeup, I'm not sure about purple highlighters, so that would not be one I would buy. The Kula, that is an expensive price for a setting spray. $42, but it does have SPF 30 in it. I'm not sure about that either. The Micro Tip Liquid Liner sells for $22. If they went down to $10, I may look at it. It looks like it makes a really nice fine tip. I do have some Stila eyeliners that are gel. This one's a little bit different, but I'd probably purchase that one. In the skincare items, I like the Comedix Overnight Hydration Complex. I don't have that many dark spots, but if you do, that Elemis would be one to really look at. And also the Caudalie Vino Perfect Anti-Dark Spot Serum would be a good one also. And then I may purchase some things to put in giveaways, so it's really hard for me to decide. That's the whole thing on the second set of items. Which are your favorite? Which ones do you think you would like to buy? I'm just curious, did you like some in the first set better? It's really hard to say what you'll like from these products without the discounted prices, because once we get the prices, I may decide that I do like some of the things if they're discounted enough. Remember, we have our giveaway going on right now, the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palettes, the large one and the mini. Make sure to watch and comment. For the giveaway clue, in the summer, one of my favorite things is getting a snowball. Some people call them shaved ice, some people call them snow cones. Put your favorite fruit flavor or just either the emoji or write the name of your favorite snowball. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to share and subscribe if you haven't already. If you liked my video, please give me a like. And until we meet again, take care. Bye. Mwah.